Hello, Teresa Tree at our Global Family Farm. We're on a busy path to success of revitalizing the soil, but that's slow but sure process. Let me show you what I mean. All right, the winter storms have come and gone, brought so much rainfall that the soil is compacted and saturated. So we put a mulch over every bit of this soil last week, let it soak in on the top and prevent the crusting, because this hard soil just becomes rock hard. And now we're aerating it. This is kind of like the use of broad fork. We're just going down and lifting back up again to get holes in the soil so we get some air next to the plants. And then the next step is I'm using this, it's called a dibble stick, and making holes where we're going to plant. So there's these holes, and I'm going to put them in between each other. So these two, and then on the other side in between. So we'll have kind of a triangulation planting plan here, going down. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to make little triangles, and then we're going to put fertilizer in each hole and plant bok choy. And the fertilizer is derived from bone meal, poultry manure, feather meal, kelp meal, alfalfa meal. So that's all good stuff to put in the soil. So here we go. Thanks College Core. They are aerating the soil on either side of the drip line. Then we'll make the holes and put in the fertilizer in the holes, and then put the plant in the holes. Come join us on Sundays at our Global Family Farm. Spring has sprung and the flowers are blooming and the plants are growing. So come out and enjoy.